In this video, I'll be going over how to find fraction of a number. From this example, the word of means multiplication. So we could simply rewrite this as 1/3 times 5. When you're multiplying a fraction to a whole number, you want to first convert the whole number to a fraction. So we will rewrite this as 1/3 times 5/1. Then we will simply multiply across, and that would become 5/3. Now we can see this is an improper fraction, so we're gonna convert it to a mixed number. To convert it to a mixed number, we can just divide the numerator by the denominator. 5 divided by 3 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. So we have 2 as a remainder, and the mixed number would be 1, 2 over 3. What about this one? Using the same process, changing of to multiplication, 2 over 7 times by 10/1, multiply across, 20 over 7. Final step, convert the improper fraction to mixed number. Have 2. 20 minus 14 is 6. 6 is remainder. So we'll have the mixed number as 2, 6 over 7. Now what about this one? Using the same process, changing of to multiply, 4/9 times 81/1. Now by looking at this, we can see that we could simplify before we multiply. So here, 81 and 9 are both divisible by 9. And therefore this becomes 9, and this becomes 1. If we rewrite this, it would be 4/1 times 9/1. And 4 times 9 is 36/1, which is 36. Now what about this one? Changing of to multiplication, 5/12 times 36/1. 36 and 12 could be simplified before we multiply. They are both divisible by 12. This becomes 3 and this becomes 1. If we rewrite this, 5 times 3 is 15, and our answer is 15. So these 4 examples are how you would calculate fraction of a number. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.